back with another cryptocurrency technical analysis, and it is Hayden, by the way, for all you who do not know. I'd like to look at the market cap for today and see what we're dealing with. So we seem to be having a pretty much a down day. Ucash, which I've never heard of, is up 890%, which is unbelievable. I'd like to just see what this is. I'm quite shocked how it goes up 890% in the day. That's wild. It went from 18 cents to no, I guess 1.15 all the way to 12 cents. Wow, so that's almost 1,000% increase. That's insane. Otherwise, everything else seems to be doing not too bad, kind of just hanging in there. Nothing's really terribly down. Litecoin only down 0.34%. Bitcoin down 1.52, Ethereum negative 1.1, so not too bad all in all. If we check the chart, what I wanted to show you guys was on the 4-hour. For all you who are commenting on my last video and saying that we're not out of it yet, what I was saying was this blue line is a downtrend that we were on for a very long time, a very long downtrend, as you can see here, and we did not break through it at all ever. Literally, we just kept hanging out over here, but we finally caught back to the middle moving average, which we are at currently, and we finally have broken this downtrend. As you can see, we finally popped down, hung out around here for a little bit, and popped out, moved up, fell, came back to our line of support, which you can see is the bottom. Which is the bottom right here at around 145. That is where we bounced off of again, and now we currently hit and retested the middle moving average, which we seem to be bouncing off of again. Hopefully we can break up through that, and then it can act as support too. But as of right now, that is our current resistance that we're trying to get above, as well as the 160 area. And as people were informing me, the 170 seems to be a line of resistance, so I'm going to just put that there, even though I don't really see where that is. Alright, I guess that is considered a line of resistance. Yeah, I guess so. That would be a line of resistance that we have trouble facing, definitely. I guess this is the channel that it likes to hang out between. So basically we have to get above the middle moving average, which we had no problem doing last time, but we need to break above the 170 as well. But I do believe shortly, maybe this week, we will be able to break up above that and in due time get way above the 200 into the $300, $400 range, if not higher. As for Bitcoin, again, it always deletes my markers that I draw. You'll notice we have a pretty hefty downtrend. I'm going to go onto the daily to draw a better line. These ads. I may at some point buy a new, the new trading view. I don't know yet, but you can see this is our downtrend pretty much right here. Just like that. Just like that. That is what we have trouble breaking through, and then I believe we have something like this. Now you can either connect it with the candles or with the wicks. I usually just do the the candle, sorry. So you can see how we hit here, here again, and then have the wicks come down. That seems to be this downtrend that Bitcoin has. So we'll see if we can pop up through that, which I do expect us to do. We seem to have a line of support at around 7,300, which we can hopefully bounce off of higher. As for Ethereum, again, a downtrend. Let me just go onto the daily chart to see if that is accurate. Yeah, about so. And yeah, that's gonna just be what I can draw out, I guess, on Ethereum. There's not much that I notice on Ethereum besides the fact that we're coming back up to retest this moving average and hopefully come up higher and retest this downtrend. But there is a lot of resistance within going up that high. You can see right here there's a line of resistance, so we'll see if we can pop out through that. But otherwise, that's pretty much going to sum up what is happening in the cryptocurrency world right now. Litecoin's still doing strong. I believe, in my opinion, it is doing the strongest out of all the currencies when you look at them. Get off the daily, go into the 4 hour. It just looks to be the best. You can see how we've broken out of the resistance that we had, and this Bitcoin is following, but a little slower than the rest. And then Ethereum's just doing its own thing, but still has this downtrend it's facing, and it is currently retesting its moving average. So we'll see, but I do have more confidence in Litecoin being the strongest out of all of those three main cryptocurrencies that we're looking at right now. So I do think very soon we will see some potential and boost Litecoin up much higher. And that's pretty much going to sum up the video for today. I do appreciate everybody for subscribing and commenting, and I do plan on getting new equipment to make my YouTube videos a lot more professional and more friendly. I'm going to get new camera, backlights, a stand tripod for the actual camera itself, and then I was going to get a new microphone, a big, old school microphone that'll pick up my voice a lot clearer. And that's pretty much going to sum up. Maybe I'll get a new trading view, the upgraded one, but otherwise, stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will update you with new news tomorrow if we see a push upwards on Litecoin, which is hopefully what I'm expecting, that we can break out of this middle moving average and bust out in the next day or two. So otherwise, I will see you guys tomorrow, and like I said, like, comment, and subscribe.